Quick challenge. Which sentence sounds better? A. I need to wear a seatbelt. B. I have to wear a seatbelt. Or are both correct? Can you guess? Let's find out together.
I have math homework. I need to finish it tonight.
Why?
Because I want to be ready for tomorrow.
Great. Need to means something is necessary. Maybe it is your own decision. I need to study. I need to sleep.
We have to wear our school uniform.
Can you choose?
No. It is the school rule.
Exactly.
Have to often means there is a rule. Or you have no choice. We have to wear a uniform. That means it is required.
I have a toothache. I need to see a dentist.
That's probably a good idea.
Yes. It is necessary.
Nobody is forcing Anna. She thinks it is necessary. So we say, I need to see a dentist.
We have to stop at a red light.
Because it is the law.
Exactly.
There is no choice.
Perfect. Rules, laws, and instructions use have to. We have to stop at a red light. It is required.
I'm very tired. I need to go to bed.
Yes. You look tired.
Again, nobody is making Anna. She thinks it is necessary. I need to go to bed. That sounds natural.
I have to be at work at 8 o'clock.
Because your boss expects you?
Exactly. It is my obligation.
Excellent. Now you know the difference. Need to means necessary. Have to means rule or obligation. Let's play the final challenge. Can you get 5 out of 5? Ready? Let's go.
I finish my homework tonight. Need to? Or have to?
Both can work. If it is your own goal, say need to. If the teacher requires it, say have to. We wear helmets on this construction site. Need to? Or have to?
Have to. It is the rule. I'm hungry. I eat something. Need to? Or have to?
Need to. It is necessary. You show your passport at the airport. Need to? Or have to?
Have to. It is required. I'm very thirsty. I drink some water. Need to or have to?
Need to. It is necessary.
Fantastic. Remember, need to means something is necessary. I need to study. I need to sleep. I need to drink water. Have to means a rule, an obligation, or no choice. I have to wear a seatbelt. I have to go to work. I have to stop at a red light. Now it's your turn. Which sentence is better? A. I need to wear a seatbelt. B. I have to wear a seatbelt. Or are both correct? Write A, B, or both in the comments. I'll see you in the next Everyday English Explained lesson. Goodbye for now.